The Augier Evangelical Church was filled with members of the community who gathered to celebrate the nation's independence. The service included prayers, songs, and the message of hope and togetherness, reinforcing the spirit of patriotism among attendees.
So that brings us to the next part of our theme. What is it? Health and well-being for a prosperous nation. I hope that little thing speak to you. No selfishness among the people of Saint Lucia. Let us move forward. Some people, because of the sake of power, then spread all kinds of discord and disunity among the people. This is wrong. We need to think as a people, patriotic Saint Lucians. If we have to go to Vincent, we cannot be laughing at others. We should be empathetic and sympathetic to the needs of other people.
A number of events have been organized to mark the anniversary. The community's commitment to celebrating their country's heritage was evident as they recognized individuals who have made significant contributions to the area.
Today in Laborie, in the Laborie Augier constituency, we are celebrating independence through an ecumenical service, and this is being held at the Augier Evangelical Church. This year we decided to plan the activities with having one in every community or chapter in our constituency. So we started a few weeks ago with the battle relay that was throughout the constituency. Then today we have our ecumenical service in Augier. Next week, Sunday, the 2nd of March, we have a music festival at the Papel, that's the craft center, and we're doing that in collaboration with the Taiwan Mission and Scout Crafters. On the 8th of March, the Saturday after, we have a domino competition which will be held in Buns-la-Grasse. So this gives every constituent an opportunity to come to an activity, to participate and have a good 46th independence celebration. Every year we host our ecumenical service. We take that opportunity to recognize persons within our constituency who have served, whether it is volunteerism, through their jobs or whatever manner. And we do that with one person from Laborie Village or Laborie, one person from Buns-la-Grasse and environs, one person from Majumel and from Augier. So this year we are continuing with that venture, and we will be recognizing Mr. Nicolas Henry from Buns-la-Grasse, Miss Joycelyn Wilmer John from Laborie, Mr. Wilson Joseph from Augier, and from Majumel we are recognizing Miss Unitha John and Ruth Jabatis. Those two persons are ladies from Majumel, and they are visually impaired, and they have given a lot, and they still do give a lot because they are farmers and they contribute towards the well-being and the health of our constituency. So we thank our sponsors who did contribute towards this venture and all our independence activities.
Ambassador for Diaspora Affairs Julian Dubois also espoused the ideals of patriotism.
As a Laborian, we have many other young people supporting and celebrating independence. We want to encourage more of our youth particularly. Generally our older folks, they are involved in celebrating independence. It's a big event, and more we celebrate with more fervor, more passion, and we want to encourage that kind of feeling. In Laborie, we're very patriotic, we're very passionate about what we do, and here today we again celebrating. So I want to, on my behalf, I want to say thanks again to all who've supported and wish everyone a happy 46th anniversary of independence.
As the service concluded, attendees left with a renewed sense of pride and commitment to community and the Helen of the West. Joachim Duplessis, HDS News Force.
The times, the seasons, and exactly when it